In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images clickable in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted a picture on your site to act like a button, sending people to a product page, a blog post, or an external website, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll start inside your Squarespace page editor, working directly with the image you want to turn into a link. The process is simple, and once you've done it once, you'll be able to repeat it anywhere on your site. First, click the image. Hover over the image block in your page editor until you see its controls appear, then click directly on the image to select it. You're looking for the block's toolbar to show up so you can access its settings. If your cursor reveals a small overlay around the image, you're in the right place. Next, click the pencil icon. This opens the image's settings panel, sometimes called the image editor or block settings, where you control the image file, design, and link behavior. If you don't see the pencil right away, try moving your mouse just above or over the image. It typically appears in the block's floating toolbar. Now, click on Attach Link. In the Settings panel, find the linking option labeled Attach Link and select it. This is where you choose what happens when someone clicks your image. You can point the image to an external web address or to another part of your own site, like a page or a specific item. Pick the option that matches your goal, so the click sends visitors to exactly the right place. Finally, paste the link. In the link field, paste the full URL you want to use. For best results, include the full address with HTTPS at the beginning to avoid any redirect issues. If you're linking within your own site, you can search for the page by name to ensure a clean, consistent link. Double-check the destination for typos. Good links make for a smooth visitor experience and better conversions. That's it. Your image is now clickable. When you hover over it in the editor or in preview, you'll notice the cursor change, indicating the link is active. If you don't see the attach link option, make sure you're editing an image block and not a section background. Background images use different controls and won't show the same link settings. With these steps, you've turned a static image into a purposeful call to action that guides visitors exactly where you want them to go. Thanks for following along, and happy building.